Good day everyone, I am Kinley Waidaganato from Electrical 1C. Today, I am going to discuss my report about electrical transformer. This topic is important because transformers are widely used in electrical system to transfer electrical energy and control voltage safely and efficiently. In this report, we will learn about the definition, parts, types, function, and application of electrical transformers. Introduction to transformers. Transformer is a static electrical device used to transfer electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic inductions. It is primarily used to increase step up or decrease step down AC voltage levels while maintaining the frequency, making it the backbone of modern power system. Definition and core function. Definition: an electromagnetic device that transfers energy between circuits via magnetic coupling without changing frequency. Primary function: step up voltage for transmission efficiency, step down voltage for safe consumption, and distribution electrical power safely and end users. Principle of mutual induction. Transformers operate on the principle of mutual induction based on Faraday's law. When alternating current flows through the primary coil, it creates a varying magnetic flux in the core. This flux then induces a proportional voltage in the secondary coil. So look at the image. Main components. There's a laminated core, provides a low reluctance path for magnetic flux, and windings, copper coils, primary and secondary, were induction cores. Insulation protects against short circuit and manage heat. Cooling tank and cooling system, oil and air to dissipate heat. Transformers classification. So there's the transformers. There's a power transformers used in transmission network for high voltage, and distribution type found on utility poles for home and building use. The turn ratio formula. The relationship between voltage and number of turns in the coils is defined by the ideal transformer equation. There's the formula. You can see the formula and use it. Efficiency and electrical losses. Applications. Summary and conclusion. Transformers are vital electrical devices that facilitate safe and efficient power transmission. Without them, distributing electricity to daily life and global industries would be impossible. Thank you for listening to my presentation.